And we are off. We will continue modeling this ornament. Maybe at some point I will look up on internet how is this thing called at all. So last time we did this one, and now I think it's fair to say that we don't need to do it again. We can just duplicate this, and I will show you how. On certain parts we will need to add some geometry, some cuts. Duplicate this is pretty simple. Duplicating. So how it's done, I don't need this too. You select this with shift click, press D, shift D, sorry, and duplicate it. Now we can also, this part goes here, and it would be super if it's flipped. We can just rotate it by pressing R, pressing Y, typing 180 on numerical keyboard. So let me do it again. R, Y, 180. How it's called? Why I'm going Y or epsilon? I'm not sure anymore. Then from then on we just need to connect these. I will duplicate it again. This time I will rotate it like this. Maybe I just do it like this. Okay, once more. R, Y, 180. I will leave this one here. I will just duplicate this one as well. Oh, I will start connecting them. Edit mode. Maybe we could try that. Is that option faster? Select snapping for vertex snapping options here under these little spheres. Auto merge. Click, 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 click. It is faster. Click, click, click. We need some cut here. We maybe need some cut here as well. Let's see. Yeah, one cut here definitely, but I don't want to cut it like this. I need to undo. I need to it's still on. Everything is still on. one loop here. I don't like this. One loop here. Don't worry if you think this looks distorted. We actually want that look. This is done. Let's continue. One cut. I'll just adjust this a little bit. Wait. Do we need one more here? Okay, why not? No, what happened? As you can see, this is a much faster way. No, this one. Maybe one cut here and one here. And okay, one here too. Why not? In case you're wondering why this looks different, mesh normals concrete outside, because I rotated. When you draw something, normals are looking at you. If you rotate it, normals will be, and if you rotate it and merge it with other mesh rotates, will be normals will be on other side. Now this is a bit tricky because okay, I need to delete this face too. This face needs to go. Let's just continue. Cut. Oh, more cuts. No, it's not more cuts. I need to delete this face. No. See why this way is a bit tricky. Because you can join vertices you don't want to join. this here is imposter. Dissolve this edge. Dissolve, delete this edge. This edge, dissolve this edge. No, it's delete. Now we punch the hole here. Okay, that's normal thing. We need one. So this is one face. Oh, so I see. Delete then. We need one vertex here and connect this and this, and then create those faces. We somehow delete. We need the one cut here. We need to connect this. F, 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 F. Is this better? Yes. And one more to go. I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we need one cut somewhere here. And this face to go. If you missed how I select this part of mesh, I selected any part of it, and yeah, one cut here. Okay, probably we will need a few more cuts. No, no, and it's done. This one is rotated. You can see its normals are facing this way, and from other normals I'm facing that way. We select all faces like this, regardless of whether you're in vertex edge or face mode. You go to mesh, which is menu dedicated mostly and only to faces. You go to normals and you say recalculate outside, and here it is. R detail ornament. Does it look good? I think actually it does. You can improve it. Now we need to turn this off. Let's not mess up our edge and space and snapping. What I like about this is that it looks like it's handmade. Similar to this. In case you're wondering, what am I talking about? Here, take a look. What I did wrong though is that I disregard that these three circles are actually connected to outside, to the flower inside, and the flower is connected with some kind of weld or whatever it is to circle outside. Can it be fixed now? Probably. This part can be fixed immediately. at center, but at last, sorry, at last. But it messes a lot. We can do that in then I could do this immediately, but I decided to do it later. You can always add some circle around and adjust and make some small adjustments to your mesh. I already did that to mine. Here it is. Not too much, but it's visible. So if you did what I did, you would have this ornament done. Let's see how this ornament looks. To be honest, I don't think I will be making 4 different of these. I think it will be enough. We just duplicate. This is our coffer, and we made it in measurements we got from that website. And as I thought, now I don't care about measurements anymore, and just need it to be in the right scale. And as I said, these legs will probably go down. Here are a little ornament. Let's call it round. Stop it. Now it's called object. Why? Round ornament. Okay. I'm eager to try to duplicate it, but no. Let's do other stuff then. This one can go. This is the first one we tried to make it. I tried to make and then decided it is really bad. Look at this. Look how bad it is. So look how this compare this and this. And while we were doing this, you learned a few things: how to draw, how to get geometry. But this one, I will delete it. I don't care about that one anymore. I will delete that too. Now maybe we could continue. So we have this part below here, this kind of arches, this big arch here, then again these upper here, some of these leaves attached. One is missing here. this, I don't know what is this, flowers, some kind of flowers. I'm not quite versed with Gothic architecture and medieval symbolism and how are these things called? I call them florins and guilloche. No, it's not guilloche pattern. Let's see what florins are. Okay. Okay, florin is typographical ornament, but so that's ornament. Let's see Gothic ornaments, and you see here it is. Imagine making this one. Now after this, I think you could create this one easily. This one is nicer, really. This one is created really nice, I can tell. This one is even better. Well, if you do architecture, I know how to make these, by the way. Maybe I will teach you. These two. At the end, all you need is, don't be scared with this guy because he placed this, he overlaid this wired, so you see it's really good mesh, but you can create this really easy. This is also nice work, but when it's architecture, then I like the precision of it. It's like it's architecture, someone put a great effort in it, but this coffer looks like it's so things. It's weathered, it's deformed. This is old, and this is rough work. It's detailed, but it's rough work. It's dating, I think it 1200 and something year, 800 years old or something. So we have a scale here for our ornament. We need this part here. We can just go on. Why not? Let's move. If you want, maybe tonight we can finish this part and have it ready for some duplication. It's really sad that this is not a sharp image, but let's see. So I don't want this object to be selected anymore. I'll I will continue doing my favorite way of drawing. I place a point and then extrude, extrude, extrude. Let me take a look. Yeah, we should make one and then duplicate that one and join it together. So it could be nice if this reference image is not in my way. Maybe the best thing is to, I want this vector. Okay. Let's give this object some thickness. This will be enough. So this is a hole like this one. Okay, punched. These are whatever they are, again holes. Here there is a hole, but then it's solid. So is it a hole or what? Honestly, I can't tell. What I think it is, that it's part, this solid thing was part of this surface, and then it was somehow cut and pushed back. That's what I think this is. Let's not forget the upper part. I will just duplicate this guy here and extrude it here. Vector. I will connect this everything later. I will already create a mesh out of this. I pressed F, but I don't like how it looks. This is common thing that happens with mesh. So let's see. Face grid fill. Okay, I will connect it like this. Maybe it will work. Face grid fill. You know what? I won't be losing time. I will just delete these. Go away. I will delete this edge too. I will select this, and I will tell bridge edge loops. Okay. I can cut the hell of it right at the place where I need it. Now I just need to create this flower again, and also be aware Let's see, be aware of topology. I don't care about this either, it's simple thing to do. Extrude, connect, F. Now let's see this flower. It gives me headaches already. But let me try sketch it a bit. Let me see if I can draw a circle. Then it will be easier for me to visualize where the things should go. So I will start deleting. See how this is a bit down. It's same. It's same. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's below. We don't need that part. We will delete that. These guys will go. I hate working in this scale. It's awful way to work. I think this piece here could use some what did I do? Edge, offset edge loop, then some deletion. You know what I have to do? Immediately I have to get rid of these back geometry I don't need. Yeah. Because there is already a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff here is going on. Edges go away. I can easily connect this. Now I will just loop. Don't forget, you can also extrude edge. Like this. Maybe this is it. I will add subsurface. Some adjustments can be done. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, this can be a little bit sharper, or I think I'm done here. I need to take a look here. No, it's different kind of. It's not really that, but I think I know how to make it that way. So this guy will go up. Then I don't need this too. But it goes down, right? Somehow down. No problem. Okay. Not quite like that. Maybe more something like this. Now when I look at it, I don't need this. Dissolve vertex when you think you don't need, when you think you don't need them but you want to keep geometry, you dissolve them. Also don't forget to create mesh where you need it. Faces, I mean faces. Okay, let's continue. Now these two sharp spears will go below. I'm having issue to remember this simple shape. I will draw it if necessary. Let's see where we will place these cuts. Okay, one here. One here. Okay, one here, and one here. As you can see, you can place and move your cut. Vertices. Oh, this is too much, not that much. Okay, change. I hate when this happens. Okay, this is better. So this will be this part. Now I need bottom part. And I'm thinking the best way to do that is to do some add slide. Let's not forget, these are the guys we don't need. Guys, faces. Delete. Oh, let's not delete immediately. Remember, this here is like it's whole, but then it becomes solid a bit below. So that will be our new cut somewhere around here. It's extremely imprecise. What am I doing? So again, I will delete these here and here, faces, but then I will take these and extrude them. Now they will be individual parts. Then I will move them a little bit inward and add some couple of loops. 3 will be enough. I like this guy here to be a bit sharper. Maybe we can start using vertex crease, and these guys here too. Okay, I think this part is done. No, it's not. It's not how I imagined it. It looks a bit unfortunate. I'm sorry for that. That wasn't my intention. In case you are wondering how I did this, you select any element, whether it's edge, face or vertex, in middle of something, and you press Ctrl plus. No, what did I do? What have I done now? Try again. So I these two, Ctrl plus on numerical keyboard, and that's what it does. So this guy will be, needs to be much thinner, okay, I admit. But it needs to be somehow inside. See? It's inside. So I will probably select these guys. Again, me and the guys. I could move it, or I could just extrude it like this. I will get some artifacts here I don't want. I mean, not artifacts, it will be a mesh I don't want, because I had that part selected and I did extrusion. It's no problem to fix. I want to move this somewhere where I can work on it. The same thing we have here as well. We don't want it. Now I could maybe try to get some. What is this? This is too many something here. There's too many things going on. X, delete these vertices. Do I want this on the same plane? Yes. Case you want. Oh, we have broken loop here. I don't want that. Can we fix this part maybe? I think we can. We will adjust this crease a little bit. Not too much. 69. We can dissolve edge or delete edge. I don't want that edge there. I'm glad I found it. Dissolve vertices. More edges here, no, here. Oh, duplicate edges everywhere. Again, some extra vertices. Dissolve. This part is good. This part is now good. Something looks wrong here. Okay, I admit. What that actually is this ugly vertex sharpness, vertex crease. We can get rid of that later. Yeah, I really hate it. I will delete it. Honestly, I think this could be it. We could start a duplication. Let's see. Shift D, press the axis you want to move. In this case it's X. I want to move it. Wait, why am I so forgetful? Now it would be cool we connected this in some ugly way. It looks like it's welded. We could maybe just delete from below here and all from below. Delete. Sorry. Just this in the middle. We need to delete this as well, so we don't get some unexpected results. Let's see about selecting this and bridge edge loops, this and this, and bridge edge loops, this and this, bridge edge loops, this and this, bridge edge loops. Maybe this thing is a bit too deep and maybe it needs some creasing, not one. Creasing will be, it's better to done creasing if I select these all. Yeah, how did I manage that? No, we have enough. These are okay. Do we have more holes here? Yes, we have. And hole here. But once we do this, we will be cool. Yeah, maybe I didn't show you. I created some material, rust course, if it looks bad, that's because I will select it all in face mode and press U, project from view bounds. Now it looks a bit better, but I miss some details here. And that will be added in Paint. To get good results for this, we will need to do a lot of painting, texture painting I mean, and even some sculpting, additional over sculpting. Let's see why this guy looks good. It has solidify. We don't have solidify here. Let's add solidify. Oh, solidify can go down. No, solidify is always up. If you wonder what these sharp things are, let me show you, area, vertical split, shader. These sharp things are pointiness of geometry, and our pointiness here is big because we added sharpness. It's not here, sorry, this is a material window. It's here. We added this vertex crease. If we remove it, the pointiness will go away. I actually don't like it anyway. I will think another way to make this part of object of this 3D mesh sharp. With good lighting, this is going to look cool. Where is that little? Ah, there it is. Okay. Good. Enough for tonight. As you can see, we are getting somewhere. I hope you slowly understand what is the best way to create 3D geometry in 3D software. And that's it for tonight. If you want to know when I upload or when I live stream another 10th episode, this was 9, please subscribe. For some reason I need those subscribers. And that's it for tonight. Bye. See you tomorrow again. I will continue and see you around. Bye.